Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. I appreciate you joining. Folks, today we're going to do something I hadn't done before on video. We're going to do some armadillo eggs. I'm going to show you how we're going to prep them here in just a second. I'm going to cook them on my brand new pellet smoker. I'll show you that as well. I'm excited. It's going to be a great video. Y'all stick around. We'll be right back after this intro.
T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, cooking up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
Alright guys, what we're going to do here, we got some jalapenos. I'm going to show you all the ingredients real quick. Jalapenos, deveined, deseeded, washed. We got some cream cheese, which I have smoked. Okay, this cream cheese that I smoked in my smoker at about 225 for about an hour and a half, and I sprinkled some of Uncle Steve's shake on there. I used the spicier shake. Good stuff, really good stuff. That's one of my favorites, along with the Gator shake. Oh my god, you talk about some good shake. The outside I'm gonna sprinkle with a little bit of Uncle Steve's sweet and spicier. It's the same thing as the spicier, but it's got some sugar in there. Give it a little sweetness. I think that sweetness is gonna help, along with the hot sausage and the jalapenos. We're gonna need some bacon to wrap around the whole thing. Okay, got some hot sausage from Jimmy Dean right here. We're gonna need a little cheese to mix with our other cream cheese over here. Use whatever cheese you want. Use whatever sausage you want. You can use just plain Italian sausage, that'll work fine. Use whatever rubs you want, whatever bacon you want. Okay, the main thing is though, you're going to stuff the cream cheese and cheese mixture in here in the jalapeno, and then we're going to wrap it with some hot sausage. Then we're going to wrap it with some bacon. Okay, and then at the very end, I hadn't shown the barbecue sauce. We're going to hit it with a little barbecue sauce, just kind of wake it up a little bit. All right, let me show you how to make one of these up. All right, first things first, we need to put the cream cheese. And I did coat all sides of that cream cheese, by the way, before I smoked it. Put some cream cheese in there. Yeah, I had to get that out of there. I got a, what is this, 8 ounce? Yes, 2 cups of a 4 cheese Mexican blend. Use whatever you want. I'm gonna add about half of this bag into this cream cheese. Like that. Give her a good mix. And if you want to add a little bit more flavor, go ahead and add a little bit more of the spicier. This is what I added before I smoked it. Where's the lid? There it is, the opening. There you go. Add you, I don't know, a couple teaspoons, tablespoons, somewhere in there. Just give her some flavor, folks, you know, give her some flavor. Alright, now for some peppers, folks. Now what you want to do, see if you can scoop some cream cheese down into this jalapeno, and if you have to, use this other end of the spoon, push it down, because you don't want any air gaps in there. You want everybody to get you a nice full helping of that cream cheese. Next thing, we want to need a little bit of the Jimmy Dean over here, or whatever sausage you got. Now I've got 2 of these tubes. These are 1 pound, yeah, 1 pound tubes. Take about half of it, squeeze it on out of there, babe. Squeeze it on out. Okay, make your little patty out of it. So stick your pepper in there. And folks, what I would suggest that you do is put more meat on this side where it's open, because you don't want this baby leaking inside your cooker. Okay, so we're just gonna kind of roll this up around here, cover up all these sides here, cover that up really good around that open end where you took the stem and stuff out. If you see any little pieces that needs a little bit more, go ahead and add it. Trying to keep this in view where y'all can see it. And I'm gonna do one of these on camera for you, and I'm gonna do the other ones off camera. All right, so you got your kind of a football look right there, see? Or an egg shape, however you want to look at it. Hi, honey.
Babe.
Get you some bacon. And I'm using thin cut bacon. Try to get the end if you can. Just kind of go around with it. And all this stuff is room temp, just so as you know. I need some more bacon. Go around this way, T-Roy. There we go. And this one's gonna need 3 pieces, which is cool. I bought me extra pack of bacon. It's out there in the fridge. So we good. We good, Karen, we good.
All right. It's going to be delicious.
I hope it is. And if you want to, you can take this end right here and just kind of tuck it under. Like that. Right there. See? Alright, tuck that end under there. There's one right there, babe. Alright? Yeah, it is pretty. This thing's huge. It's going to be a lot of eating, folks. I'm going to get the rest of these done, and we'll meet you right back. We'll throw them on the smoker. Again, Uncle Steve's sweet and spicier is going on the outside. Don't need any binder or anything. Just coat that baby up. This is a more coarse type of seasoning, but it works out good. Taste is phenomenal, folks. Really, really taste is phenomenal. All right, I'm gonna get all these wrapped up. Not wrapped up. I'm gonna get all these seasoned up, and we'll be right back. Already got my pellet grill here set to 275. This is the Camp Chef Woodwind Pro. So 275 on the top shelf. Try to make sure you're leaving room so that the smoke can billow around each of these. Folks, that's all you got to do. Let that baby go for 275 for about 90 minutes to 2 hours, somewhere in that range. Should work out pretty good. We're going to check it at about 60 minutes in, so we'll see you in an hour. All right, guys, here we are. We got all the jalapenos here. This is the first one y'all saw me do. And I put about a ½ pound of sausage around this one. These other ones, I put maybe a 1/3 of a pound around it so they're not quite as thick. But this thicker one, let's open this thing enough so that it'll actually read. Let's see where we're at here. And you should be able to feel that point hit that jalapeno, because the jalapeno is still kind of al dente. 176 degrees right there. Folks, that's pretty doggone close. I think we're about ready to wrap these babies up, but I think my bacon needs just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. I'm gonna give it another 15 minutes or so. Doggone, my finger tastes good after flipping that over. We're going to get it about 15-20 minutes, and then I'll throw some sauce on there the last 10-15 minutes. So about an hour and a half cooked, and these been going 275 for the last hour. So crisp up that bacon a little bit more. I think we'll be good to go, folks. Alright guys, it's been about 25-30 minutes. We're going to go ahead and sauce these. In fact, Karen's going to sauce them for me. Karen wants the second one on the left, so we're not going to sauce that one. We're going to sauce the other one, though.
Whoops.
That's alright.
I guess I could have gotten a bowl.
That's fine. Show them what you're using. It's $10.
$10. Hot barbecue sauce. $10 barbecue sauce.
There you go. Get you some, folks.
Sauce for everything. Great on anything.
That's good stuff. That's my favorite vinegar-based sauce. Really, really good. All right, let these go for a little bit. I'm gonna pull this middle one out here for Karen. She can eat that. She doesn't want any sauce. So we'll let this go for about 10-15 more minutes. Let that sauce kind of thicken up a little bit. We'll be right back. This is what we wound up with. I tell you what, man, Karen had that fourth one and she absolutely loves it. But let's cut into one of these. Let's see what it looks like. I did have one blowout. It's this back one back over here, but you know, that happens. It's all right. I'm just going to kind of cut it kind of crossways like this. And I did let these cool for about 20-25 minutes, just so you know, because if you open this up while the cream cheese is still warm, you're going to have a blowout for sure. But check that out, folks. How about that, huh? Gorgeous. gorgeous, I tell you. Let's give this a shot. Let's taste it, see what it is. All right, folks, this is the minute you've been waiting for. That's what we got to cut a little corner off of this thing. And let's give it a shot, see what it tastes like. That's a hot jalapeno.
I told you it was good, huh?
It's very good. Very good.
What's that?
Oh my goodness. Folks, if you haven't tried armadillo eggs, it's a hot jalapeno. Woo, Lord.
Troy can't take the heat no more.
I can't. Very, very good. Every jalapeno is different, you know. Very, very good though. Uncle Steve's shake, what can I say? It's the best shake out there. Go get you some, man. That $10 barbecue sauce just adds a sweetness, just a thin layer of sweetness to it, and a little vinegar. Really complements the heat, kind of tones it down a little bit with that sweetness. So very, very good with the rub and the sauce. So I'm glad I added that. I can't say enough about this Camp Chef Woodwind Pro. I'll show y'all some reviews of that here in a little bit. You know, a few videos from now. But very, very good. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope you give these a try. It's great for tailgates. It's great for 4th of July, Independence Day.
They're delicious.
They are.
I love them. We're going to be doing these more often.
Definitely, definitely. Give them a try. Bring them to your friends, your family, everybody else. They're going to love them. It's a great little appetizer meal. Or a main meal if you want it to be.
Yeah,
doesn't matter.
for sure.
Anyway, I hope y'all try them out. If you enjoyed the video, give me some thumbs up. If y'all ain't caring, y'all give me some double thumbs up. I forget what I say. Let me see. If you like this, give me some thumbs up. Hope you share the video. And when you do, please tell all your friends. The T-Roy cooks responsibly.
Responsibly.
Cheers, everybody. We'll see y'all next time.